Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for your time today. My name is Jennifer King, and I will be presenting to you a profitable investment opportunity. The business opportunity is Karma Cafe. There is a demand for a health-focused coffee shop in Bozeman, Montana. Societal choices are leaning more towards an all-natural, organic foods and beverages, and there's a lack of coffee shops that fulfill this need. Karma Cafe is the solution to fulfilling this need. Karma Cafe is a specialty coffee shop that offers healthy organic coffees and teas. Our customers have the option of ordering organically grown regular coffee or coffee infused with CBD. CBD is known to aid with issues such as anxiety, depression, aches, and pains. Our selection of organic teas can be enjoyed by themselves, or customers may add a blend of essential oils to their tea for added health benefits and well-being. And for our customers with diet restrictions, Karma Cafe offers baked goods that are made GMO-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, or vegetarian. Karma Cafe's coffee shop concept is an attractive opportunity that will add value to Bozeman's community due to the strong focus of presenting a personalized touch to our customers' coffee and tea preferences. These preferences may include a milk alternative of soy, almond, or coconut milk, CBD-infused coffee, or perhaps a cup of essential oil tea to enjoy in an eco-friendly, comfortable atmosphere. This business concept is in prime position to enter the Bozeman market. There is no comparative competition in the Gallatin Valley, and Karma Cafe would be able to be the first mover in the market. Taking advantage of early entry will give Karma Cafe a head start to capture majority of the target market share. To ensure traction and customer loyalty, an incentive-based rewards program that offers discounts and free products will be implemented and executed upon opening day. The target market is Bozeman, Montana, which is the fourth largest city in Montana, and it's the fastest growing area of its size in the nation. Median age is 29, with an annual household income greater than $35,000. 63.2% of Bozeman's population of 45,600 has an education level of high school and above, and consider themselves to be healthy. Karma Cafe will draw customers from this target market, local business professionals, college students, and the year-round tourist population. Karma Cafe will offer only organic grown coffees and teas. Customers may choose from regular, decaffeinated coffee, CBD-infused coffee, or tea. The option of adding a variety of our essential oils is also available. The coffee shop will only carry all-natural sweeteners such as raw cane sugar, honey, CBD-infused honey, stevia, or agave. With the growth of food sensitivities and a demand for healthier food choices, Karma Cafe will carry a selection of gluten-free, dairy-free, GMO-free, and vegetarian gourmet baked goods. Customers will be able to enjoy their drinks in an inviting, warm atmosphere and can utilize the free high-speed Wi-Fi service. These chart findings from the product and service desirability and demand research shows that 60% of consumers' first priority was having diet-restrictive or healthy food items available. Second and third priorities were having healthy coffee, tea, or food item choices, which all came in at 40%. This research concluded that there is a moderate to high demand and positive desirability to have this type of product and service offering. Price point range for regular coffee, specialty coffee, and tea offerings are between $3.75 to $6.50, depending on size and whether or not any essential oils were added. Gourmet pastries have a price range of $3 to $4.50. Pricing was also part of the feasibility analysis, which concluded that consumers were more than willing to pay the range of prices for the product and felt the prices were reasonably priced. These direct competitors offer similar coffee and pastry items. However, they do not offer the additional health beneficial products such as essential oils, CBD, or a variety of diet-restrictive baked goods, which puts Karma Cafe in better positioning to enter the Bozeman market. Our cash flow projections were based off of these 5 market factors: potential market using 36% of the Bozeman population, Average price point of $8.75 for coffee and gourmet baked good. Average consumer pricing frequency of 156 visits annually. Number of direct competitors, and target market growth of 8%. These critical values were used in the cash flow and revenue projections for Karma Cafe. This slide is a representation of 5 years of cash flow for Karma Cafe. You can see in year 0 there is a negative $618,800 due to the initial capital investment of the business startup. Then, in year 1, the cash flow assumption is barely negative with revenues over $823,000. In years 2 to 5, cash flow and revenues experience year-over-year dramatic growth of up to 50%. You can see that the graphical chart shows that steep growth curve. Doing our due diligence, we would of course have to play devil's advocate and play out worst-case scenarios to see where negative NPV occurrence could happen. If our frequency critical value was placed at once a week, it could calculate a negative NPV. The fact that the national average for a consumer to buy a coffee outside the home is actually higher than 3 times a week, even in a recessive economy. So a once-a-week frequency would be highly unlikely. Direct competitors in the same light would have to more than double to 17 in order to experience a negative NPV in the 5 years. The current 8 direct competitors in the Bozeman market are not mature businesses and do not offer any specialty health beneficial products like Karma Cafe. This puts Karma Cafe in a first mover opportunity position to be the first and only coffee shop in the market. To reiterate, frequency of 3 times a week and direct competitors of 8 creates an NPV of $3,185,186.24, an IRR of 75%, and a break-even point of 94,533.33 units. In conclusion, Karma Cafe is a unique coffee shop concept that will add value in a growth industry and growing target market. Feasibility studies conclude that this business concept is a viable opportunity for consumer and market demands. Cash flow analysis conclude positive NPV and IRR with year-over-year growth, which will satisfy investor and shareholder required rates of return. Critical values all point to high success rates. For these reasons, Karma Cafe is a solid, attractive, profitable business concept that is worth investing in. Again, I thank you for your time, attention, and consideration.